This video will show you how to use the MVCI Pro J2534 software for vehicle diagnostics and programming after installing diagnostic software for various models like Volvo, Nissan, and Mazda. 1. Download the MVCI Pro J2534 software. Visit the specified website to download the software. 2. Install the MVCI Pro J2534 driver. Follow the steps in order. Once the installation is complete, the software icon will appear on the desktop. 3. Install the corresponding vehicle J2534 driver. Click on MVCI Pro J2534 to connect the device and check authorization information. Enter the vehicle diagnostics section. You can select and install the corresponding vehicle driver. Take Toyota for example. Click on Toyota to install the driver. 4. Configure the diagnostic software. Open the Toyota Diagnostic Software GTS. Navigate to Setup. VIM select. Set the interface to XH Toyota. 5. Completion. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to start diagnosing the vehicle. If you need to install diagnostic software for other vehicle models, simply install their J2534 drivers in step 3. For example, install the Honda HDS driver, then open Honda Diagnostic Software HDS, select the vehicle configuration, and begin diagnostics. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.